Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our second lesson in website designing and development. So in this lesson, I'm going to teach you guys about text. We'll be talking about the various heading options we have in HTML. We'll be talking about the paragraph tag. I'll teach you guys also the various list options we have in HTML, as well as some few text formatting. So see you guys. So we will be starting with the heading tags. So in HTML we have 6 different heading tags. So let's just open our file. Let's go to the file, right click, open with brackets, clean this up. So the first thing I will show is the H1 tag. So open and close. So let's say heading 1, and the second one is H2. Let's say heading 2, and the next one is H3, like heading 3, and then we have H4. So heading 4, H5, heading 5, and the last one is H6. So these are the different heading tags we have in HTML. So I'm just going to save this, Ctrl S, then we go to file. Yeah, it's already saved. So you can directly click this icon here for you to preview everything in the browser. So you click on that, so it will open for you. So as you can see, these are the different headings we have in HTML, but actually this doesn't really matter because you can style this however you want in CSS, so we'll be doing that later. So these are the various heading tags we have: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. So you can style it anyhow you want in CSS. We'll be doing that later. So the next thing I would want to talk about is the paragraph tag. So basically this is where you have your paragraphs. So for that you need to put the P tag, open, and then you close. Then you just put your text inside the tag. So I'm just going to go online and grab some sample text to just show you guys. So you copy and Ctrl S, we save, and then we open this. Yeah, so this is how the paragraph tag works. So I'll show you a few formatting you can actually do to the paragraph tag. Guys, I want you to know that the way you actually type the text in the text editor doesn't really appear like that in the browser. So I'll show you guys what I mean by that. So let's say I'm breaking this text here. You see the gap, and then I save. I go and refresh, nothing really happens. So if you want to do like changes to the way your paragraph appears in the browser, you have to put some few styling. So first thing I would like to talk about is we have align left. So this will align the text. Don't forget to save. So it will align the text left. It's already aligned left, so that is the actual alignment. So let's say we can do align right. So this will align everything to the right. I'm going to refresh. So as you can see, our text, our paragraph is aligned to the right, and then we have align center also. Control S, save, refresh. So as you can see, the text, our paragraph is aligned center. And I think one more is there, justify. Control S. So this will justify the whole paragraph, as you can see. So it's being justified on both sides. So these are few things you can actually do with the paragraph tag. And yeah, one more thing, let's say you want to break the sentence and maybe have your own paragraph. So we use the break tag, which is BR. So this will now break the paragraph. So let's save this and open it. So as you can see, so let's say I want to break it here also, then I can put the tag here as well. BR, close. Save this and refresh. So yeah, this is how you break the paragraphs. And I would like to also talk about the various I'll teach you also some few text formatting you can do. So let's say I want to make this whole sentence italic. We use the I tag. So you close, open and close. Then I'm just going to cut the closing tag. So we put the whole text inside this, the I tag. So if I save this and reload the page, you can see the first line is in italics. And one more thing you can also do is, let's say you want to make some word bold. We use the B tag, open and close. So you just put your word inside. Let's say this is bold. I'm going to save it and then open it. So as you can see, it's bold here. And we have one more also called small. So this will make the text small. So in that, let's say I have the opening tag small and the closing tag. So this text is small. So Control S, save, and then I'm going to reload. So you can see the difference. So this is bold, this is small, and then this is the normal text. So these are the few things you can actually do. We have few more: strong, emphasize, and so once we go on, I will be teaching you more of this. And one more thing I also like to talk about is we have various type of lists also. We have the ordered list, unordered list, and then we have the description list. So I'll first talk about the unordered list. So for that, you have to put the opening tag, which is UL, and then you have to close it as well. Then for the list items, you have to put them in a tag, which is LI. It's also open and close. So let's say first item, we can say this item 1, and then you put another one, LI, open it to item 2, and then we can add, let's say, another open and close, item 3. I'm going to save this and refresh. So this is how the list items actually work. So let's say you want to you want to get like ordered list or so. For that, you start with the tag OL, which is for ordered list, and then you put the items inside. So LI item 1, we go to another one, item 2, item 3. So I'll save this and run it. So you can see the difference between the unordered list and then the ordered list. So this will add numbers to your list items. And then the last one I'll be talking about is the description list. So for that, let's say that is DL for the description list. Then we have DT. So this is where the main description will be. So let's say what we add. Let's say coffee. I hope I'm right with the spelling. And then I'm going to add the description below, which is D. Let's say this is hot. And then the next one is, let's say I'll put Pepsi. So I'm just going to put the tag again, DT, and open and close Pepsi, yeah. And then the description, DD, open and close. This is cold. So I'm going to save it, go to the browser and refresh. So you see how this works. So these are the 3 types of lists we have in HTML. And let's say you can even nest the list items. So let's say I want to nest this. So what I will do is come inside this, and then create another UL, which is another list. And then inside this, I'll put the list items, LI, open and close. So let's say nested 1, and then open and close, nested 2. So I'm going to save this and run it and save it. Yeah, so you can see the difference. So if you want to list your items, this is how you do it. So anytime you are working on this, you need to be very careful with your opening and close tags so that you don't get anything wrong. So these are few things we can do with the text options in HTML. Once we go on in the later classes, I'll be teaching you how to do more things. So I hope you are able to get this. Don't forget to even practice, and then I will see you guys in the next lesson. And one more thing, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get an alert for the next lesson. Hope to see you guys. See you soon. Bye.